What are the safety measures to follow when operating power washing equipment? Operating power washing equipment demands rigorous adherence to safety protocols. Firstly, wearing appropriate personal protective equipment such as gloves, safety goggles, and non-slip footwear is imperative. Ensuring a well-ventilated workspace is vital, as power washing may release fumes or debris. Maintaining a stable footing by securing the equipment on a flat surface reduces the risk of accidents. Before commencing, thoroughly inspect the equipment for any signs of wear, tear, or malfunction. Avoid directing the high-pressure stream toward people, animals, or delicate surfaces, and maintain a safe distance to prevent injuries or damage. Regularly releasing pressure from the equipment before disconnecting hoses or performing maintenance minimizes the potential for sudden bursts of pressure. Always adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines, particularly concerning pressure settings and nozzle choices. By diligently observing these safety measures, you ensure a secure environment for yourself, others, and the equipment while achieving effective power washing results. Do you want to experience the magic of power washing? Give us a ring today to discuss your power washing needs. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.